So this is what I'm going to use to garnish it that I want to prepare now, veggies for garnishing. So add the onion. And I add a little ginger and garlic. I already have ginger and garlic in the sauteed veggies, so I don't want too much anyway. Alright. So I'm going to add pepper. Fresh tomatoes. So I'm going to fry it till it gets very dried. So I won't waste your time. I'll just have to pause the video and then fry it dry and get back to you. Okay, so it's dried now. We're going to add just a little tin tomato for more color. I just remember it's jollof, so I want it more reddish than plain. So I changed it from the frying pan to pot. So add a little curry. Oh. So I'm going to add the Indomie seasoning. Just a little for now. Just for taste, you know, the sauce has to be tasty before I add my water. It tastes nice. Okay, so it's well dried now. If you allow it to dry very well, it's going to give you some kind of party food taste. I don't know, like rice or stew. This buka stew taste kind of. Yeah. So I'm going to add my stock. This is chicken stock. Chicken stock. I told you I'm using assorted protein. I'm using beef. I'm using chicken. So this is chicken stock. Oh. And this is the beef stock. Right. So I'm going to add a little water. So a little water. Alright. So I add a little crayfish because I want to maintain the red color. If you don't like it reddish, you can add more crayfish because the crayfish would really change the color to kind of darkish or something. Yeah. So I'm gonna add the remaining of this. I won't add the I won't be adding salt or seasoning cubes anymore because oh shit, look at this people. There is nothing here. There's no pepper here. Already I have enough pepper though, but okay, there is. But I like the flavor from this. Okay, so I won't be adding salt or seasoning cube anymore, like I said, because in the stock I already have enough contained in there. Okay, so we just have to add our Indomie, right? Okay. Lord. So, but I can add the pepper. And seasoning, no. So cover it and allow it to cook. Wow, see how it's doing? Yeah. So it's time to turn off the heat and then mix. I also like my Indomie somehow moist. If you like it dry, you can cook till the juice or the water is well dried up. So I like it like this. So I'm going to turn off the heat and then mix or garnish. Stay right there. So let's garnish it. Man, I don't feel like pouring all of this. I feel like remaining some to have a yam, white yam. I don't know. Let's see. Wow, this is nice, guys, isn't it? If you give me Indomie like this, I can eat it the whole week. I'm not bored, I'm not tired. But to eat Indomie, the white, the normal, just cook and eat, no, 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 no. I'm not a fan of that. So, ooh. Okay, Jollof Indomie is ready. You see it, it's ready. Okay, so I just have this on top here. Alright guys, so let's serve it. Be right there, I'm coming back. Wow guys, look at it. This beauty of the food is ready. Your jollof Indomie with assorted protein. You can see the chicken, you see the beef, you see the egg. That's the assorted protein I've made it with. Okay, so why don't you give your Indomie a different look, a different taste, a different style, just like you cook your jollof rice. Alright, so thank you guys for cooking with me. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please encourage me by subscribing. Just the red and white button there where you see subscribe, just hit it and you're subscribed, and then turn the bell beside it. It's free, free of charge. And if you're new to my channel, please kindly subscribe and then go through my channel to see other recipes I have up there, and turn your bell, the notification bell, so that you always get, you know, to know when I upload new videos. And I upload virtually once a week, but I have all the lifestyle videos I upload there regularly somehow.
Subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then click on the bell icon for notifications. Thank you very much and God bless you.